What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another feature car and it is Tony's Chevy Fleetside. We actually met at a fuel station. He saw the Crown, I saw the Fleetside, and then I just couldn't not ask for a video. So we teed it up and, well, let's jump on in and you can see how beautiful this thing is. If you like these videos, guys, please like, please subscribe, share it around. Let's jump on in. All right, Tony, so thanks for coming out and showing us your Fleetside. What year is it?
It's a 59.
59, yeah, yep. How long have you had it?
Be coming up to 7 or 8 years.
Yep. Was it like this when you got it, or you done a lot yourself, or?
Well, the body was pretty well the same, but it had a white roof. It had a little bit of rust in it, so
yep.
We had to fix that and paint it.
Yep.
But otherwise, pretty well. You see the brown in the corners.
Yep.
Undercoat, a bit of rust in there, but fixed it. But didn't bother painting it, just gave it a bit of undercoat.
Yeah, that's fair. It looks good like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. So, bags all round, yeah?
Yeah, bags all round. E-level, they call it.
Okay, yeah.
Yep.
The AccuAir system?
AccuAir, yep.
Yep. How long ago did you get that on?
I had it on pretty well straight away.
Yep.
I had one pump and it took forever to pump up. They went dual pumps,
yep,
which was much better. Then they brought out the new the pump inside the...
Oh, the Endo CV?
Yeah.
Yep.
So that upgraded.
Yep.
Did it shit itself.
Oh, no.
And it went under.
Yeah, that's what I was asking, yeah.
And I just got it back from putting 2 new pumps in it.
Okay, so now it's just got 2 pumps running it?
Yeah.
Okay, yep, that makes sense. Where are the pumps and everything located?
They're down the back now.
Yep.
It was too noisy before.
Okay, yep. Are they, so in the tray or under the tray? Or?
Under the tray, yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's get it a little bit closer.
Yeah. Now, what I've done, it's a stock chassis.
Yep.
Underneath. I took to a guy in Healesville, Tony, which an engineer's approved to do it all.
Yep.
Now, to get it 2 or 3 inches off the ground was quite easy. To get it on the sills was another freaking episode.
Oh, yep.
Because it's got a jag front end.
Okay.
And we had to pinch the chassis in and then back out again to fit the jag front end in.
Okay.
But not only did we pinch it in, we also lifted it up. So you get that extra 3 inches to get on the ground.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yep.
So a small job turns into quite a large job.
Yeah.
The rear end's notched. I think it works out to about 12 inches all up.
Okay, yep.
To get it to sit on the sill.
Yep.
It's got a stock 10 bolt, but I've turned it into a twin spinner now.
Yep.
Or twin smoke as we call it. The floor had to be raised up a bit. Raise the floor for the notch.
Yep.
We put in this part here with that button there, there's a fridge in there.
Oh, yeah.
Over that side is the compressors, and you can get the things through there.
Okay, yep.
There's an extra fuel tank in there because you had to. It's got an LS in it.
Yep.
6-litre LS.
Yep.
And then we also got the original fuel tank behind the seat.
Okay.
But we had to put a sub tank in. You had to have a tank inside the tank.
Oh, like a reserve tank, or
reserve tank?
Okay. Yep.
For, yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So that's it all in there. And here this lifts up. Toolbox. Stuff you need.
Yeah.
Storage.
Yeah, awesome.
On the back here, originally they got chains and they rattle and make a frickin' noise off here.
Yep.
Go to here, sold that, and went Toyota.
Oh, yep.
Toyota Hilux.
Yep.
Toyota Hilux thing, everything It's all Toyota, nice and easy.
Yeah, easy to get parts if anything goes wrong.
This lifts up,
Yep.
so nice and easy, no rattle.
Oh wow, beautiful.
Yeah. Blinkers, reverse lights, because I've got a reverse camera.
Yep.
Up under here. I can also pump my own tyres up and everything.
Oh nice, you got it, yep, off the compressors?
Yeah.
Yep.
Full tow bar on it.
Yep.
We had to, because it was notched, we reinforced it past the notch area for the tow bar.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So take the pressure off.
Yep.
This is not the original one, but I found this at the swap meet, El Pimpa,
Yeah.
in Fremont, Nebraska.
Yeah, beauty.
But the car's actually from Texas.
Okay, yep.
Yeah. These taillights are hot rod taillights off Pontiac.
Yep.
I just found out they fitted because I've got a hot rod as well, and I had the taillights out, and I thought, gee, they fit.
Yeah, beauty.
This little thing here
Yeah.
is a Camaro in Sydney. I was towing my hot rod. We went to the race on the beach, and I was towing my hot rod, and we're coming back through Sydney. That was a fair drive, let me tell you. And decided to stop and get something to eat. I had small mirrors on the truck at the time.
Yeah.
Asked me, mate, is anything on the left? Because I was towing. He looked in the mirror and said no, so I put my blinker on, started to go over, and next thing a Camaro goes flying past us sideways.
Oh no.
And wrote the Camaro off.
Oh.
But that's all that happened to me. So I was quite happy.
Yeah, that's really lucky. Yeah.
But he got jammed between the gutter and I don't know why, but the gutter was like 20 inches deep.
Oh, yeah.
And it just stuffed his car because we
Yeah.
jammed him into the gutter.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Anyway, insurance paid out, thank God.
Oh, good.
The fleet sides are quite rare here in Australia.
Yeah, absolutely. When I saw it, I just thought, I've got to get a video on this.
Yeah, normally they're not too many of them here. I only seen another one.
Yep.
These blinkers, external side blinkers,
Yep.
they were actually in it. And I wired it all up, and I actually like this one on the front as well.
Yep.
And I actually like side blinkers. It gives people, when they're sitting there staring at it, a bit of an idea to get out of your freaking way.
Absolutely, yeah.
There are for Camaro.
Yep.
Not the one I wrote off, but yeah, but I replaced them brand new.
Yep.
Down here we got, like I said, the original tank in it.
Yep.
But I like it up high. Just did a custom type cap on it.
Yep.
These are on it. These are kind of nice. These are, I don't know, they're sunshades or something, but they
Yeah.
just look the part.
Yeah, they really match it well.
Yeah. Inside, just I don't treat it like a princess. I drive it all the time.
Yep.
You probably see dust here and there, but it's comfortable. It's got a lot of mod cons in it.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's got aircon, as you can see, under dash.
Yep.
It's got one of the latest touchscreen stereos in it, with Bluetooth and wah wah wah.
Yep.
It's got heated seats, electric windows,
No
central
way.
locking, smart start, smart entry.
What?
That's
awesome.
Yeah, sat nav, you name it, it's got it. Like power steering and all the rest. It's just because it's old doesn't mean it's not comfortable.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
That's great that you've been able to kind of get all the new stuff in there without any different in looks. I mean, obviously the head unit, but apart from that,
the only thing that really gives it all the way. Reverse
Yeah.
cameras, and like everything helps to get a better ride.
Oh, absolutely. Let's jump in the engine bay, yeah?
Yeah, sure. Oh, I put bigger mirrors on it.
Oh, yeah.
On the front, I've got a couple of fog lights.
Yep.
I found them at what I mean. They really suit the car.
They do actually, yeah.
Yeah, they were 6 volt. To find yellow lens 12 volts, not as easy as it sounds. Under here, it's not pretty. It's just like I said, a driver. You know, it's got a 6-litre alloy. I think they call them LS2.
Okay.
Over here, you got Commodore braking, twin diaphragm master cylinder.
Yep.
Got a couple of train horns on here.
Yep.
One was loud, two's even from louder. You pull the chain. It's got a chain on the inside,
yep,
like on a truck.
Yep.
And people change lanes for you.
Oh yeah, bet.
You know, I think we just put different fuel rails on it just to make it easier to plumb.
Yep.
Rather than off the factory ones.
Yep.
It's all the factory computer and engine management system.
Yep.
Just had it flashed and redone.
Yep.
For a guy over in Ringwood, I think.
Okay. Yep.
It's right-hand drive, as you can see.
Yep.
Yeah, it's you know, really quite easy to work out.
Yeah, it's absolute beauty.
Yeah, I've got a light here, so
oh, nice.
You know, if you need to.
Yep.
It's one thing with I found with these, it's something over because you drive them a lot.
Yeah.
They do every now and then just have a glitch, and I put that easy battery terminal on it, the green one there.
Yep.
And all you do is undo that, count to 10, screw it back on, go around and start the car, or whatever glitch happens goes. It's like a mobile phone.
Turn it off and on again.
Yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Probably over 12 months it does it twice.
Yep.
Or 3 times.
Yep.
A little glitch. And look, in time in time they'll make things even better. Like phones, you hardly have to turn off now.
Yeah. Yeah.
But when you do something like this, it just rematches itself and off you go.
Yeah. I see you got the trickle charger sitting there, so you can just plug it in whenever it's
I've got that much accessories on it. If I let it sit for more than a week without starting it drains the battery.
Yeah, that's fair.
So
yeah, makes sense.
I go away, I just throw the trickle charger on.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's about it under here.
Yeah, it's awesome.
58 and 59 are the only ones with twin headlights.
Okay, yep. Because that really, looks great.
Yeah, a lot of chrome on the front.
Yeah.
I've added a couple of these. These are Australian aftermarket.
Yep.
But they look good when the sun hits them as you're going down the road.
I bet, yeah.
What else can I tell you? We've gone the deluxe bumpers, the chrome bumpers. A lot of them in America are just painted white.
Okay, yep.
The stainless around the body. This is all deluxe.
Yep.
Wasn't on it, but I've deluxed it up.
Okay, yep.
And next time I do a bloody windscreen, I'm going to put the deluxe on there as well.
Oh, yeah, that'll look good. Yeah, it'll tie it all in really well.
Yeah. See here?
Yep.
Smart start.
Oh, wow, yep.
Put the key fob in my pocket.
Yep.
Put my hang on, it lights up.
Yep.
Press start and off you go.
Yeah, beauty.
There's your E level. Yeah. Heated seats all there.
Yep.
Everything you need.
You got your horn up there.
Oh, there's the horn.
Yeah. Oh wow, that is loud.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
Speaker system in the door.
Yep.
Really good sound.
Oh, I bet.
Blows you away. And didn't go handbrake, I went a foot brake.
Oh, yep, yep.
Because you get more leverage with your legs, I reckon.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah.
And the gear shifts to got the Elvis Presley bloody mic on it.
Yeah, that's exactly what I thought was the Elvis Presley mic. Yeah. That's awesome.
Hanging from the roof, I got the same hood line, but got my cowboy hat in there.
Yep.
It just sits on the roof. These are grouse stuff. All these little things you can get out of America.
Oh yeah. And just adds to the feel of the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like we put the back window, we put curtains.
Yep.
That way you're not getting beaten down on the back of your head.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So, but you can put, you know, pull it across, do it whatever you want.
Yep.
And yeah, that's another stop light in the back window.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks so much for letting us have a look at it. I know everyone that sees this video is going to love this thing.
Okay, cool.
I'm pretty sure I saw this, a few months ago maybe. And yeah, I was like, I got to get a video on that. And then when I saw you at the service station, I couldn't not ask. Tony, huge thank you for letting me do that. I know all the subscribers and everyone that sees this video is going to absolutely love it, just like I do. So guys, like I said at the beginning, if you like it, like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.